Yeah, I know how to burp on command. Lauren 420. Do you want to see it? Should I do it? I don't know, Wolf Guy. I don't know if he'll ever emotionally recover from Valorant. Yeah, it's looking a little funny to me. Dick Nailer right here. Whoa. But like talking the same pattern.
I don't know. I don't get it.
I've never. No, I actually never went for the expansions in Sword and Shield. Never played them. I bought them, but I never played them. It's kind of fucked. As for the 3 out of 7, made me so mad. Another green card! Oh god, you suck my dick. Cool, and we got 4 more packs in the first side of the box. Scrokemon! I don't have enough gold for my little booties. Power pin time. Simisage, good burp. Good fucking burp. God. I'm not gonna let banning Yi as a yikes. I don't know. I feel like there's so many things you could ban. Good burp. You could ban Kane.
Damn it, Speed Freak!
I'm actually gonna sleeve up this fucking choke me like you hate me when you fuck me fucking Persian. Hold on. God, I can't stop. Indeed. A wise choice.
Oh fuck.
Whoa. That was kind of scary. Maybe Luke, but we're on different servers. I don't know how that would work out so well. You think that 2021 is gonna be my year that I get the Simps? I can't fucking wait.